Hey everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop and welcome to Coffee and Grit. Today we want to talk a little bit with you about something that kind of sort of is what got us started, bargain boxes. Maybe not the big 20-pound monsters that you're maybe real familiar with, but we wanted to sit back and talk to you a little bit about maybe the sort of offshoot of that, the bargain box of belts. Now we're going to take a look at that. Let's kind of see what I mean by the bargain box of belts. Well, obviously everybody that uses a portable belt sander, well, they need belts. So let's get this out of the way. Because if you need belts for your portable sander, whether it's 3x18, 3x21, 3x24, 4x24, whatever size portable sander you have, we got belts for you. Now, I'm going to pull this out and kind of give you an idea of what you're looking at. Now, this particular box, you're going to get, depending on the size, you might get a total of 6 belts. You might get a total of 5 belts. So if it's in the 4x24, you're going to get 5. If it's in the 3-inch size, well, you're going to get 6. There you go, in the screen. Now, the beauty of that is, you may not get the same material every time because it is the bargain box. There's about 3 or 4 different materials that they use to make up the bargain box. So this particular material is the CS310X. Next time you might get CS311. So you just never know what you might get in the box, but it's an industrial abrasive every single time. And you can guarantee for the money, you won't find anything else better to fit your sander. So the beauty is it's all going to be an aluminum oxide grain, and it will be on a nice cloth backing, so it's going to work well. It'll hold up well whether you're looking for something in a 2436 grit or whether you're looking for something in a 220 grit. We've got a belt to fit your need in a bargain box material. Now, we got started years and years and years ago because of the 20-pound bargain box, and it was so successful that we created this business out of it, and it's all due to scrap material that just couldn't be used for other things from the industrial side. Now, the nice thing is that means you get the industrial grade abrasive in your shop. And these bargain box of belts, because you do get 5 or 6 belts, and depending on if you go with the big bargain box bulk pack, you might be getting a lot of belts. Just keep in mind a couple of things, because we do get calls on this. So I wanted to touch on this just a little bit. This is a standard belt, and you might get a bulk buy and think, well, I've got to snag up as many as I can. What we always recommend is don't buy any more belts than you're going to use in about a 2-year period. The main thing is these belts are assembled with a joint, like a tape joint right there. And the biggest issue with belts in general is they will have a shelf life. We cover the belts up to 2 years for breakage at this joint due to manufacturer defect. And so, but because this is a tape joint, depending on where you live, if you're in a high humidity area or you have a lot of fluctuation between heat and cold, that could drastically decrease the life of this joint. So if you can keep them in a climate controlled area, that will drastically increase the life of the joint. But nonetheless, bargain boxes are some of the best bang for your buck on the market that you can get if you're walking around with one of these in your shop. So check things out on our website at woodworkingshop.com, and you can check out all the different bargain box options. If you've got questions on any of them, you want to buy a specific grit, you can do that. So you don't have to buy the big assortment box, which has 36 different belts depending on the size. You can buy just one box of bargain box belts. So woodworkingshop.com. You can check them out there. You can give us a call at 800-228-0000. And of course, while you're on the website, if you got any questions about any of the products, you need some ideas or some advice on which way to go, drop a little note down in the little tech line box there. We'll be happy to help you any way we can. Well, this is Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and thank you for watching Coffee and Grit.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.